What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to fix the shaking handlebar on three types of scooter. Here I have Ninebot F2 Plus, I have Ninebot E2 Pro and Ninebot F3. All of them has same issue. You see this shaking handle. Actually, when you ride it, you can feel it very highly, that it's shaking all the time, and it's not really convenient and not predictable. So I will show you how to fix it really fast. So let's start with F2 Plus here. So what you need to do to fix this shaking bar, you have the things here. Let me show you. I have like this area, and you need to tighten it up to fix it. So you go right way. Usually you see it's very light to go at the beginning, but you should do it really tight. Okay, so fix it really tight. You see it's still moving. Then let's check it out. So it's not shaking at all. I tried to shake it, but it's shaking together with the wheel. So it's fully fixed, and actually that's how easy you can fix this issue for F2 Plus. So now let's move on with E2 Pro here. So I will show you how to simply fix it in E2 Pro. So here we have the different structure a bit. So what you need to do is actually tighten it up in this area. So you need to have bigger screw and make it tighter from one side and from another side as well. Tighten it as much as you can. So two screws, this one and that one. So let's test it out now. Actually start to shake less. And scooter number 3, F3 here. What you should do is actually same on the side, from left side and right side here. You need to tighten it up, one screw, and from this side another screw here. So you know, okay, see it now. So you put it inside and tighten it up, and then the shaking will fully disappears. You see here, now it's not shaking anymore. So that's how you can easily tighten up your scooters so the handlebar will not shake anymore.